In this video, I want to show you how to find the password of your Canon TR7120, the Wi-Fi password that you need to enter on your phone or computer to connect to the printer. So let's go on the display right over here. The first thing we need to do is to simply press the home button to wake it up. Then we need to navigate using these arrows until you go to right over here, settings. Press OK. Select LAN settings is the first option. Select wireless direct and then go in show settings info. Okay. And right over here, you're going to get the network name of this printer, and under it, you're going to get the password that you're looking for. Yours will be different. If this doesn't work, by the way, you may have to enable Wi-Fi direct before having access to your password. So you simply need to go right over here, advanced mode, in case it's not enabled. Next, on, and now the printer will turn it on. Press on, and here you go. You're going to have access to it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I will see you in the next one.